Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you're here. In this video, I'll show you how to create a viral miniature video, a brand new niche for content creators that's super fun and visually stunning. You'll learn how to turn simple ideas into a magical miniature world using powerful AI tools, step by step. So let's shrink reality and bring your imagination to life. Step 1. Creating AI prompts. The first step of creating your miniature video starts right here with ChatGPT. Open ChatGPT and type in the master prompt that I'm showing you on screen right now. This prompt is specially designed to generate ultra-creative, high-quality miniature world ideas. Once you enter it, ChatGPT will instantly give you 10 unique and imaginative AI prompts, perfect for image generation. These prompts are detailed, visually rich, and ready to be used with tools like Flux AI to bring your tiny world to life. Step 2. Image creation. Step 2 of creating your miniature video. First, open the website and head to the image generation section. Now, choose the Phoenix style. It's perfect for vibrant, detailed visuals. Next, set the aspect ratio to 16:9 for a wide cinematic look. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the prompt it generated, and paste it into the input box. Hit generate, and in just a few seconds, Leonardo will give you 4 unique image variations. Now, choose your favorite to download in the next step. Step 3. Video creation. Now, let's animate your image using Kling.ai. Open Kling and select Image to Video. Choose the 1.6 style for smooth and cinematic animation. Drag and drop your image, then describe the scene in the video prompt box. You can copy the detailed prompt from ChatGPT, paste it in, hit generate, and wait a few minutes. Kling will turn your still image into a stunning animated miniature video. You can also use Hailuo.ai to animate your images. Open Hailuo.ai and now, upload your image, copy your scene description prompt from ChatGPT, and paste it into the prompt box. Click Generate, and within a few minutes, Hailuo will create a beautiful animated video from your image. Step 4. Editing with Canva. Now for the final step. It's time to bring everything together in Canva. Open a new video project and upload all the videos you created. Place each video on a separate page and drag the edges softly to hide any watermark. Once all your clips are added, go to Transitions and choose Dissolve between each page for smooth flow. To truly bring your miniature world to life, don't forget to add background sound effects that perfectly matches the mood and atmosphere of your video. Whether it's something whimsical, magical, or peaceful, the right sound can transform your visuals, create emotion, and fully immerse your viewers into the tiny universe you've crafted. Your miniature video is now ready. Take a final glance.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.